Drug is tested in 5 phases of clinical trials in humans, but before that, the drug is tested through preclinical research in animal models to see if it has intended activity against the particular disease. It may be tested in mice, rats, dogs, monkeys, or rabbits. Researchers make sure that the proposed drug molecule is beneficial and also not toxic. Next come the clinical trials. First one is the phase 0. In this first phase, researchers test if the drug is safe or not. This is tested in fewer than 15 healthy people. If only the drug did not show any toxic or unwanted effects, they will go ahead with next 4 phases. This is a safety phase. Phase 1. The objective of this phase 1 trials is to test maximum dose of the drug that can be given. It is conducted in 20 to 80 healthy individuals who doesn't have any health problems. Researchers test what is the best or maximum dose that can be given without side effects and what is the route of administration such as mouth, intravenous, intramuscular or other routes. After establishing the maximum safe dose, the safe drug dose is tested in hundreds of patients in phase 2 trials. These patients have disease for which the drug is developed for. Here, toxicity, safety and also desired effect are understood as they have real disease. Patients are closely watched to see if the drug actually works. If the drug in phase 2 shows promising results against the disease, phase 3 trials are conducted. This is done in more number of people, usually up to 3000 people with the disease. Here, the new drug is compared with any already existing drug or other drugs. Patients are assigned to the new drug or already existing drug randomly by computer programming. Sometimes patients themselves don't know what they are taking in. Here, researchers know if the drug is effective in larger population as it is tested in thousands of people. After evaluating the new drug in first 4 phases of trial, now the drug inventing company has to take approval from Drug Authorization Agency such as FDA before they proceed with phase 4 trials. In phase 4, doctor can prescribe the drug to patients. Detailed side effects which can occur on long term are observed in this phase on many thousands of patients. Phase 4 trials are important as it is tested in many thousands of people in real-time scenario. For example, some drugs can cause adverse effects in 1 out of 10,000 people. Are you wondering that 1 out of 10,000 is small number? Nope. If the drug is administered to 10 crores of people, number of people see this adverse reaction will be 10,000 in this proportion. This is big number. So, a drug efficiency is known in phase 3 trial, but complete toxicity is known in phase 4 trials. At the end of these 5 phases of clinical trials, drug dose, treatment schedule, safety, toxicity, efficacy, and long-term side effects are known. For religion and science, subscribe to Curious Egg and don't forget to click bell icon.